Hey guys, Chuck here. Some time ago I did a video on POTA activations, and I was working POTA activators at the time, and I posted a what do you call it? I respotted the guy that I had just worked and gave a signal report in the comments here on this page, and was immediately replaced by an RBN report. And it kind of ticked me off, man. I thought, well, which would the activator value more? Some skimmer report or the guy in Michigan that just worked him and gave him a 5-5 in MI, you know? And it ticked me off, so I immediately respotted and replaced that RBN skimmer report. And the RBN system did it again immediately. And I'm talking within 5 to 10 seconds. Now I was really ticked. And I actually got into a spotting war with the RBN skimmer system. It was nuts. I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. And one of the fellows that helped code the POTA software commented to my video, which was amazing. I couldn't believe it. And after his comment, I did a little reading on the system, and I educated myself a bit. And that's why I like the comment section, and that's why I do some of the videos I do, man. It gets people fired up and leads to dialogue, and not that I'm trying to be the Howard Stern of ham radio on YouTube. But look at this, man. So anyway, here's another comment regarding all of that I just said. It's not just my signal report in Michigan that I think someone might be interested in as an activator. Oh, there goes the furnace. Sorry, guys. It's other tidbits of info. Like he might say going QRT in 10 or QSY to 80M in 15 minutes type of thing. Now, I think that's valuable to the chasers, and it helps the activator too. And that kind of comment will just get driven right out of view by the RBN skimmer reports. And that's not good. That's not good. Another observation, this time that was my opinion and comment. This time an observation. What was that song? Who was it by? Rick James? The Freaks Come Out at Night? Yeah, they certainly do, man. Every single night. And I wonder if any of you guys know the answer as a chaser or an activator. But why, oh why, every single night the CW ops are gone and the phone ops are gone? Now you see it says at the bottom, today's activations. That's the end of the list, man. There's 3 activators active right now, all 3 running FT8. That's the case every single night. But why? Why is FT8 easier at night than in the day? Here we go, man. Blowzo's conspiracy theory. It's because they're running lit computer screens interfaced to the radio. They're not operating, man. They're just sitting back, letting their software log the contacts. They'll deal with it later. And I'll go even farther and suggest that they even have software to convert their log file into an ADIF so that they can upload it to the POTA administrator. They never touch a radio. They never actually work a contact. And I don't mean that, man, but there's a reason why the freaks come out at night. I hope you're well. You guys take care. 73, guys.